10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, do you know Joe?
Oh, I do know Joe, yeah.
It's Joe's birthday!
No way! Happy birthday, Joe!
Audio Jungle.
I remember when we were in Trivandrum, when Bindu started going to school in LKG, the Chotu also used to pick up her small bag and used to go along till the school.
Hi Chotu. Growing up, you were such a devil to me. You used to punch me, you used to scratch me, you used to give me such a trouble. You were a complete bully. People may not believe it, but that's true.
విష్ మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. బిందు చోటు, మీరు నాకు రెండు కళ్ళు లాంటి వాళ్ళు. మిమ్మల్ని ఇలా చూస్తుంటే చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంటుంది. చాలా మెచ్యూర్డ్గా ఇండిపెండెంట్ డిసిషన్ తీసుకుంటూ ఎటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయినా ధైర్యంగా ఎదుర్కొంటూ, ఎంత బిజీగా ఉన్నా అందరినీ లుక్ ఆఫ్టర్ చేసుకుంటూ, అందరినీ సంతోషంగా ఉంచుతూ పై శిఖరాలు అధిరోహిస్తున్నారు. మీ డెవలప్మెంట్ చూసి నేను చాలా ఆనందపడుతున్నాను. అప్పుడే 40 సంవత్సరాలు గడిచిపోయాయి అంటే ఆశ్చర్యంగా ఉంది. ఇంకా నాకు మీ చిన్నప్పుడు మాటలు చిల్లి పాటలు జ్ఞాపకం ఉన్నాయి. మీ చిన్నప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేదాన్ని 100కి 90% మార్క్స్ వస్తే 10 రూపీస్ ఇస్తాను అని. దానికోసం చాలా కష్టపడి చదివేవాళ్ళు మీరు. తర్వాత ఒక రోజు తగ్గువాడుకోకపోతే 1 రూపీ, 1 వీక్ తగ్గువాడుకోకపోతే ఒక డ్రెస్ కొనిస్తానని చెప్పేదాన్ని. దానికి కూడా చాలా శ్రమపడి తగ్గువాడుకోకుండా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండేవాళ్ళు. అలాగే ఇటార్సీలో మీ సొంత సైకిల్ మీ డబ్బులతోటి మీరే కొనుక్కున్నారు. మొత్తానికి మీ చిన్నప్పుడు ఎప్పుడూ నాకు ఒబీడియంట్గా ఉంటూ పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్గా ఉండి ఎప్పుడూ ట్రబుల్ చేయలేదు. మనం ఎప్పుడూ తల్లి కూతురులా కాకుండా ఫ్రెండ్స్గా ఉండేవాళ్ళం. మనం చూసి అందరూ ముగ్గురు అక్క చెల్లెలు అనేవాళ్ళు. నాకు బాగా జ్ఞాపకం. ఇటార్సీలో అందరూ అలాగనే అనుకునేవాళ్ళు. నాకు జీవితంలో ఒకే ఒక కోరిక ఉందిరా, మీరు సకల సంపదలతో ఆయురారోగ్యాలతో సుఖ సంతోషంగా ఆనందంగా కాలం గడపాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. దేవుడు మిమ్మల్ని చల్లగా చూడాలని, మీ కోరికలన్నీ నెరవేరాలని, ఇంకా పై శిఖరాలు అధిరోహించాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. నా ఆశీర్వాదాలు మీకు ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటాయి. విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
మీరు 10-11 ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను మీతో ఒక 3-4 మంత్స్ కలిసి ఉన్నాను. అప్పుడు మీరు స్కూల్కి వెళ్తూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు. 3:30కి అలా వచ్చి వాళ్ళు 8కి వెళ్ళేసి, అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఇడ్లీ దోశ టిఫిన్గా పెడితే వద్దని గొడవ చేసేదాన్ని. ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరు తినేస్తున్నారు, మమ్మల్ని తినేవ్వట్లేదు అనేసి గొడవ చేస్తూ ఉండేదాన్ని. ఆ మెమరీస్ అన్నీ గుర్తొచ్చాయి ఇప్పుడు బిందు అడగగానే.
Hi, Choti sis. Happy Walla birthday wishes to you. And you will always be our Choti sis. So, from my childhood, we used to have the names synonymous. And I used to be thinking that your name was Chotu. And even during till the time of your marriage, I was not knowing your name actually. And I was thinking Choti is your actual name. And you are, I see that you are quite ambitious, and you are pretty straightforward, and you have a pleasant smile. May you celebrate many more birthdays, and hope to meet you all guys soon. Happy birthday wishes once again for you, Chotu sis.
I still remember our college days. You used to live so far, but still used to manage to finish all your assignments on time. and we never used to finish it on time, and we used to just literally hate you the time you had just joined college. We used to like, how was he finishing our assignments, and we never used to get time to do, or probably because of laziness. But eventually when you mixed up with us and we gelled, we came to know that you are equally crazy like us. So it was fun after we actually got to know you.
Jyoti, I still remember our good old college day when we used to be roommate. It was so much fun and nice to have you as my roommate. And do you still remember we used to have Chinese when there was khichdi and curry? And one time when we went to Jabalpur, Indra was also there. It was so much fun. And Auntie, I miss your dishes and especially your pickles. Hope to meet you someday.
I still remember those days when, after college, when you had come to stay in my house, and we used to go to the terrace and we used to hang out there, and it was really fun. Those days are so memorable, and I really miss those days. Whenever you come to Mumbai, you still know that you have to come and stay at my place, and we'll try to relive those days.
Jyoti, even though we've not been a lot of in a lot of touch in the last few years, but then I still have very good memories of you and with you, right from our SNDT days, and then once we went to Pune University. To be very honest, I'll never forget in my entire life how you helped me find a hostel room. To be honest, till date, I feel indebted to you for how much you helped me get a room in the hostel when everything else was so difficult to get. My parents still talk about you, still ask about you, and we all remember how helpful and kind you were to me and to all of us. Big thank you for all of that, and I'm so happy that you are one of my friends, and I do still think of you very fondly when I do, and I just can wish nothing but the best of health, happiness, and love for you. Happy 40th.
And last but not the least, I'm not revealing all our secrets, but you still have to come to Mumbai and we will celebrate your birthday here again. But Dil se happy birthday and have a blast and take care of yourself.
Audio Jungle.
Grown up, you've become alright. I think bearable at least.
No matter what, you have 2 children. You will be 60-year-old and still you will be Chotu for us. Have a blessed life, Chotu.
Hi Jyoti, how are you? Happy birthday all the way from the US. And just the other day I was talking to Hema and I remembered that you had once made a movie about multiple personality disorder, and it was so much fun, and I hope you can still find that video because I think your kids need to watch that once they grow up. I hope you have a great time. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Chotu, a very happy 40th birthday to you, and I wish you a lot of happiness, success, peace and prosperity. Can't believe that you're already 40 because I knew you as a 7-year-old kid, and I have so many memories with you, Javirao uncle, auntie, Bindu, those Jabalpur days when we all used to meet almost every weekend and we all used to have so much fun. You know how it's really surprising that how time flies so fast, and then you're 40 and then you have 2 kids, beautiful kids, and yeah, it's really nice. And then I have an opportunity, I got an opportunity to wish you on your birthday, on your 40th birthday. It's really I'm really feeling very happy. So hope you enjoy your special day, and you know, a lot of love to you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chotu. लव फ्रॉम दीदी। छोटू के बारे में सबसे ज़्यादा प्यारी बात, सबसे प्यारी बात उसकी मुस्कान है। बचपन से देख रहे हैं, बहुत प्यारी मुस्कान है, फुल ऑफ लाइफ, हार्टफुल लाफ। याद तो बहुत कुछ है, पर जो चीज़ हमेशा महसूस करते हैं वो है छोटू का हक। बहुत प्यार से आके हक देती थी। स्कूल में रहो, घर में रहो, कहीं पर भी रहो, जब भी मिलती थी बहुत प्यारा हक देती थी। बस बच्चा वही कंटिन्यू करना, उसको मिस नहीं करना और उसे कभी बंद नहीं करना। और इतना ज़रूर कहेंगे, जिसने भी छोटू से हग लिया है, दे आर द लकीएस्ट पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड। बहुत ही प्यारा हार्टफुल हग है एंड बहुत ही प्यारी स्माइल है छोटू की हमारी। सोचा था कुछ शायरी कह देंगे, शायरी में वो दम नहीं है जो छोटू में है। ऐसी कोई शायरी बनी नहीं है जो छोटू के बारे में कह सके, इसीलिए दिल से कह रहे हैं, अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे। लव यू लिटिल सिस्टर। जहाँ भी रहो खुश रहो, हमेशा खुश रहो, खुशियाँ बटोरते रहो और बांटते रहो। होप टू सी यू सून इन हैदराबाद व्हेन आई गेट अ चांस टू कम। इस बार ज़रूर मिलना है। 4 साल हो गए इंडिया आके और छोटू से मिलके तो उससे भी ज़्यादा हो गया। चलो इस बार मिलके ऐश करेंगे। लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मीटिंग यू एंड अ वेरी 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 हार्टफुल एंड हैप्पी 40th to you. Stay blessed.
Audio Jungle.
Many happy returns of the day, Jyoti. On behalf of Team AP1 and myself, have a great day and a blessed year ahead. We are really lucky to have a very experienced trainer with us. Thanks a lot for all your training and guidance. We are really blessed and we wish you also a very blessed year ahead. Have a wonderful day, Jyoti.
Hi, Jo ma'am. Words are less to tell about you. To me, you're not just a boss. You're a friend, you're a mentor. I'm lucky to have a boss as wonderful as you. Here wishing you a day that is as special as you. Happiest birthday, Jo ma'am. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Jyoti madam. I hope your special day will bring you lots of happiness, fun and love. May God give you lifelong, healthy and satisfying life to you. So wishing you many happy returns of the day, Jyoti madam.
I feel so honored to say a few words about this person. So joyful, youthful, obliging, very talented, humble in nature and intelligent. Yes, it's our Jyoti ma'am. I wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy this special day with your family and the Lions family. And please do follow COVID guidelines.
Audio Jungle.
One good memory that I have with Jyoti is during the initial days of our marriage when we were in Jalandhar. She wanted to watch a movie, and though I hated watching movies, we drove all the way from Jalandhar to Ludhiana to watch this Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani. One very good memory that I have.
Happy birthday, Jyoti Auntie! We're sorry we couldn't be there in person. Thank you for all the thoughtful gifts you gave us. Especially the books. You have a great taste in books. We love you! And we'll be there to celebrate with you soon. Bye! Bye!
Happy birthday, Jyoti.
Happy birthday, Jyoti. Many happy
returns of the day, Jyoti. You are light of our family.
Many happy returns. All the best.
Happy birthday, Jyoti. Have a wonderful day and wishing you an even wonderful year in your new house. Congratulations on your new house. I hope you make wonderful memories in your new house. And thank you for being my biggest ally against you-know-who. And you're such an easygoing person. I've never met anybody as easygoing as you are. And thank you for blending so naturally into our crazy family. And I can't wait for you to visit us here and make more memories. I can't wait for traveling with you and vacationing out. And I hope to see you soon. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay happy. Have a wonderful day. Love you.
Audio Jungle.
She actually stays in the office and does work like training people in the office. Mama is a superwoman. Mama is a superwoman.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అక్క పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు చోటు
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చోటు
హాయ్ చోటు మెనీ మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు అక్క
Happy birthday, Atta.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Very, very happy 40th birthday. I wish you loads of love, loads of happiness, and lots of good health for the coming years. And yeah, stay well, stay happy, stay cheerful. Lots of love.
Hey, hi. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Akka. I love the way how you balance your work life and family life. You got a great parents and great kids. Take care, stay safe, and enjoy your day.
హాయ్ జ్యోతి పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు నువ్వు ఎలాంటి పుట్టినరోజులు మరి ఎన్నో జరుపుకోవాలి నీ ముందు జీవితం అంతా నీ కోరికలన్నీ నెరవేరి నువ్వు ఇలాగే హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే జ్యోతి అత్త
Happy birthday, Jyoti Atta.
Happy birthday, Jyoti. Wish you a happy birthday. Have a fabulous year. Enjoy your day.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు జ్యోతిర్మయ్ విష్ యూ మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చోటు
Hi Jyoti, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Amma.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చోటు
హాయ్ చోటు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ
Happy birthday, Chotu.
Hi Joe, happy birthday.
జో హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే
Hello, Jyoti. Wish you very happy birthday. Stay blessed, stay happy. Take care, all the best. Enjoy your birthday. Celebrate with the thrill.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే జ్యోతి హ్యాపీ
చోటు పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు అమ్మా
చోటు మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Chotu.
Hey Jyoti, happy birthday. Have a great day. Enjoy and enjoy and enjoy.
Happy birthday, Jyoti auntie.
హాయ్ చోటు అక్క మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు అక్క
Birthday, Chotu Akka.
Hi Chotaka, happy birthday Akka.
Happy birthday, Chotu.
Chotu Masi, happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday, Chotu.
Happy birthday, Chotu Masi.
Hi Chotu, wish you happy birthday too.
హాయ్ చోటు హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు
హాయ్ చోటు అక్క హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే
Happy birthday, Chotu.
My dear Chotu, wish you a great day on your 40th birthday. May God bless you with all the happiness, good health and peace.
Happy birthday, Jyoti Auntie. Have a wonderful day. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Jyoti. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Mama.